How do you sort out the so-called jargon from real-world practices that work? Do the members of your organization find some business or technology advice utterly confusing? Welcome to Real Talk with Sam Holcman. In this program, we set the record straight, and in terms that business people and technology people can understand. Now, here is your host, Sam Holcman.
Welcome to this edition of Real Talk. I'm Sam Holcman. Thanks for joining me. And the topic for today has a little bit of an unusual title. So here's the title. Stay with me, please. Comparing the agility of a salad bar and the EACOE Enterprise Architecture framework and solution enablement approaches. So what we're going to be doing for the next few minutes in Real Talk is exploring the analogy between the analogy or flexibility of a salad bar, where a chef or diners assemble custom salads from a variety of ingredients, and comparing that to the use of the EACOE Enterprise Architecture framework, its methodology, and its elements to assemble business solutions as opposed to traditional computer programming or commercial off-the-shelf package approaches or coding. So let's take a look at the salad bar for a moment. It actually is a model for customization and flexibility. Think about a salad bar for a moment. It offers a wide range of ingredients: greens, vegetables, proteins, toppings, dressings. It allows a chef or a diner, self-service is possible, of course, to create a salad tailored to their tastes and dietary needs. The core strengths of the salad bar model include customization. Each individual, whether the chef prepares it or a diner prepares it, can combine ingredients in countless ways, accommodating preferences, health concerns, allergies, nutritional goals. Efficiencies. Ingredients are prepped and ready, so assembling a salad is quick and easy, with no redundancy, no duplication of the elements. One element in each location. Scalability. New ingredients can be added or rotated seasonally, keeping options fresh and appealing. Reuse. The same set of ingredients can produce a large variety of salads, maximizing the utility of each component, each salad bar element. All right, now let's take a look at the EACOE Enterprise Architecture framework and the building of a solutions for modular EACOE Enterprise framework elements. The EACOE Enterprise framework provides organizations with enterprise-specific methods, models, and building blocks, the elements, such as business processes, data models, data, technology components, to design and assemble information technology and business solutions. The key characteristics of the EACOE framework methodology and approach in comparison to the salad bar are as follows. Modularity. Solutions are built from independent, interchangeable elements, much like the selecting ingredients of a salad bar. One element in place in one area, no redundancy, complete understanding, one fact in one place. Flexibility and agility. Organizations can quickly adapt to new requirements by rearranging or swapping element components rather than rewriting code from scratch. Efficiency. Predefined elements in the framework streamline solution development, reducing duplication of efforts, enabling faster delivery, and as we love to say, mass customization in quantities of one. Let me repeat. Mass customization in quantities of one. The ultimate in customization. And of course, scalability. New elements can be introduced, existing ones updated or removed without disrupting the entire enterprise framework, the enterprise existing solutions, and of course the concept is called continuous improvement. So let's take a look at the aspects for just a moment And once again, it's almost like a summary. Aspects: customization, salad bar. Chefs and diners assemble unique salads from the ingredients. EACOE framework and methodology. Architects assemble solutions from elements and modules. Modularity. Ingredients are independent and combinable on a salad bar. EACOE framework and methodology. Components are decoupled and interchangeable. No redundancy, one fact in one place. Efficiency. Salad bar. Quick assembly from prepared options. EACOE framework and methodology. Rapid solution assembly from pre-built elements and combinations. Scalability. Salad bar. Easily added or rotated ingredients. EACOE framework and flexibility and methodology. Easily add, replace modules or components or elements. Because you have everything, once again, one fact in one place. Reuse. We've been talking about reuse, I think, since the first day computer code was done. The analogy. The same items are used in many combinations on a salad bar. EACOE flexibility, framework, methodology, same elements, reused across multiple solutions. Assembling to order. Adaptability. Once again, salad bar accommodates dietary needs and trends. EACOE framework and methodology adapts to business and technology changes. Now, let's go one step further. Let's take a look at this analogy in actual practice. A salad bar empowers a chef or the diner to create a meal that fits their immediate needs without starting from scratch. The EACOE Enterprise Architecture framework and methodology enables organizations to assemble business solutions by selecting, configuring, and combining elements rather than developing every solution through custom coding. This approach, paralleling the salad bar, reduces time to market for new solutions, encourages reuse and standardization. It's encouraged. It's in the formula, so to speak. Supports innovation and rapid response to change. So let me conclude. Both the salad bar and the EACOE Enterprise Architecture framework and methodology exemplify the power of modularity and flexibility to the element level by providing a curated set of building elements that are architected independent on how they're going to be used, just like in the salad bar. Every element in the salad bar is not dedicated to a specific use. They enable rapid, customized assembly of solutions. What are those solutions? Are meals or enterprise systems? Now, this is a paradigm shift in organizations. It's a paradigm shift for the solution vendors. It's a paradigm shift for the people developing software. From crafting each solution from the ground up to assembling, that's the key word, assembling from a menu of well-defined elements and options. That underpins the modern approach to both dining and, of course, what we're suggesting, enterprise technology. Finally, if your enterprise architecture framework and enterprise architecture methodology is not aligned with these modern approaches, perhaps your enterprise solution methodology will remain the following. This may sound funny, but it's real. Your enterprise solution methodology will remain construct, maintain, rather than architect, analyze, design, and assemble solutions. Take a look at the modern approach. Ultimate in flexibility, ultimate in agility, mass customization in quantities of one. And you can do this today.
Thank you for tuning in to R.E.A.L Talk. Be sure to join your host, Sam Holcman, again for another edition of our program. We'll have more real topics of discussion then.